I hope you find now if you're new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for this kind of news and updates, friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm asking you to please click the subscribe button, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. As you can see, the current it is channel price of the waves 32 USD dollar is the currently it this channel price of the waves coin, friends. And if we talk about the price change is Waves coin in 24 hours. So 2.40% negative change occur. I mean fast occur in a Waves coin in the last. So what's the next target of the Waves coin? Let's see the past chart of the Waves coin for more details. As you can see here now on the screen, let's check it out. The chart of the Waves coin, as you can see here. At this time, the funding period of the Waves coin are again start now. But if you look the previous time of the Waves coin, so the previous time is absolutely a good time of Waves. Let me show. As you can see here, friends, the price change is going wrong, but I think that 40 USD dollar they can hit in the last of this month, friends. What's your opinion? Can they hit a 40 USD dollar, friends? Please share in the comment box. I think that Waves coin hit a 40 USD dollar in the last of 2021, and the 2020 the best year for Waves coin. They can hit a 50 USD dollar in the 2023, friends. What's your opinion? As you can see on the graph, in the start of the coin take a high jump, but unfortunately they fast down for a little time, as you can see here now on the screen. As you can see here, friends, and now at this time they again fast, but I hope that after but there's a lot of chances to they jump again. What's your opinion? I'm sure that the waves coin take a jump in the future, friends. As you can see here now, it's a waves coin as negative, friends. I know after some period of time there is a lot of today conference. What's your opinion about waves coin? Please also share in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe